Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of Cross Creek Classics. We are here with a long-awaited update of the Mark III. Our last video we put the headliner in, and since then we haven't been filming much. We basically be just putting the car together. Just a quick glance here. We got all the trim on. Blake finished all the trim on the door yesterday. We got our rest of our chrome in. He got the mirror on. Got all the front trim on. The only thing we got to do is the grill and the bumper. The bumper's sitting here. And we want to wait to put the grill in because we had to get another radiator. The radiator developed a pinhole in it. So that was kind of a setback. So we're waiting for that to come back. But I want to go inside. I have the battery unhooked because the battery's dead. But you can see this is about, probably 3 weeks of work off and on of Blake cleaning the seats up, cleaning the door panels. We have a nice shag carpet in this car still. This is that carpet we got out of the parts car. You can see the almost luxurious plushiness of it, and of shag. Makes you want to just take your shoes off and roll your toes up in it. But Blake got about, I'd say 10 or 12 hours in cleaning, scrubbing, drying, cleaning, scrubbing again, and installing this carpet, and it really come out nice. And then he cleaned up all the seats. Got the seat belts cleaned up, everything's installed. Got the rear panels installed, sail panels installed, seat belts. The front seats, took everything apart, cleaned all the motors up, put everything together. Got it reinstalled. Got the steering wheel on. The dash is 100% complete. So pretty excited here. We only got a few more things to do to the interior and it'll be done. So today's project is going to be back here. It's going to be the trunk carpet kit. We got this here from REM Automotive Parts in Virginia. So Blake went really overboard and put one heck of a layer of Dynamat in this thing. So this thing got to sound like a safe when the trunk closes. But he's going to get this trunk kit installed and get this finished up in the back. And that'll be one thing off our list. So let's sit back and watch Blake install the trunk kit. Blake worked diligently here to get this trunk kit installed, and looks pretty darn nice, I must say. I think he is an expert trunk carpet kit installer now. I think it's safe to say that.
Yeah.
So the only thing we got to do is get a spare tire and give this spare tire cover a home. So that'll be a little further down the road when we get our tires and wheels on the car. So that's going to be it for this episode, guys. Appreciate you watching. Appreciate you liking and subscribing. Don't forget to comment below if you have any questions. We'll be glad to answer them. And we'll see you next time. Thank you.